I am Africa. Not because of the color of my skin or how I look or speak. I am a citizen of 1,000 cultures, not a tool of a colonial split. I am different shades of one color, not a hater of my brothers. As the cradle of mankind, we grow stronger together, united by the norms of the heart, joined with the same totem. I do not hide within the enigma of my tribe. I stand tall with the pride like the Maasai. From Mount Kilimanjaro to the Okavango Delta, from the Victoria Falls to the Caledon River, denounce this obligatory violence and seize with this fabricated freedom. From the top of the Table Mountain to the tip of Mount Everest, my heart bleeds for your innocence. From the depths of the Giza pyramids to the ancient Baobab Avenue, my lament is for your betterment. Ke mososo, ke khaba ka mebala ya mookodi, ke tumme ho pharalla lefatshe ka mosa le mofuthu wa ka. Ke se hapa bohle pitsa ya ho se jelle, ke bua ka wena Lesotho la mobu o motsho se matlafatse. Ramasedi se ke hela Lesotho tsebe tjhaba sealla, sellela khotso, sellela pula, sellela nala. Ubuntu is not just a word, my Africa. It is a way of life from the ancestors. It's a heritage one must be proud of. Nna ke Mosotho, wena